Hi friends, I am Tilak. You're watching Tech Made Me Unique, and today we're going to see how to change the theme on your Vivaldi browser on your computer. And if you are new to this channel, make sure to click on the subscribe button below. We just quickly get into the video. So how to change the theme or how to switch the theme on your Vivaldi browser, I just going to show in this video. So first of all, you just need to click on the setting on the bottom section on the corner. It's called F12. Control plus F12 to open this, and here you just need to click on the themes first. Then here in the theme there's a lot of themes over here. You can just click this and you can just change the theme like this. So if you just need more themes, so simple, this is the theme I just downloaded. So you just click on the get more themes. It will open the theme store of the Vivaldi. So here you have a lot of themes. You can just click on view all future themes. You can just see on the oldest or newest or icon themes like that. You can just use a game theme if you just needed, or like that you can just choose the theme you just needed. It's simple to easily you can just pick this. For an example, I just going to pick this theme, click this and click on the download theme, which will be download the theme and it automatically install, and just go to the page. You can see the theme. So this is how you just switch the theme on your Vivaldi browser on your computer. I think this video helped you a lot. Like this video, share this video, subscribe this channel. We will meet our next video with a super valuable content. This is Tilak signing off from Tech Made Me Unique. Have a wonderful day.